This video will show you how to replace your lower radiator support bracket on this Toyota Corolla. This will be located along the front of your vehicle. Let's get into it. Now we're up along the front of the engine compartment. We're going to start dislodging the upper grille from the bumper cover. As far as that's concerned, you're going to find that you have two plastic push clips, one on either corner, and in the center you'll have a 10mm headed bolt. Let's get the bolts out of there. Push clips, go ahead and remove the center. I'm using my trim tool, remove the outer portion as well. Now we can take hold of that grill. We're going to slide it straight forward and away. Just a quick inspection of that, we'll set it aside. Now we can start removing the hood support. We'll make our way all the way down along the bottom. Now we can reach down here. You're going to find that you have a 10mm headed mounting bolt holding this in place. We can remove that bolt fully, give it a quick inspection, and we'll set it aside, making our way up towards the top next. Let's try to get my tool on here. There's that one. Now as we move up towards the top area, we're going to start with our push clip, holding our bumper cover to our radiator support. Just using a trim tool to remove that. Now you're going to find that you have two 10mm headed mounting bolts holding this in place. Let's get this one here. Next one. There's that one. Now at this point, we should be able to maneuver this around. We'll start bringing it down, gently twist it, and pull it out of position. There it is, friend. All right, let's get ready to install that brand new radiator support. We're going to bring this in a position, being extremely careful for our bumper cover and our AC condenser. We don't want to cause any damage. As we start bringing this down, we can pivot it as necessary. We're going to have to slide it underneath our hood latch. We'll bring this up into position. Now, as far as the areas for my mounting hardware, I like to use some anti-seize. I applied a thin amount on each one of my ports, and now we'll just continue on with our mounting bolts. As far as the mounting bolts, I'm going to start up along the top. We're only starting in the hardware. We are not tightening anything until each and every piece of hardware is started in case you have to maneuver this around. Let's get our next one in here. And all the way at the bottom. All the way down at the bottom, we have our final mounting bolt. It's fairly difficult to see. All three of the bolts are started in. Let's go ahead and snug them up. Okay, right there's bottomed out. Try to take it a little bit further there. Double check, make sure that's secured. We'll make our way all the way up to the top. Up on the top here. Now that we have that in place, let's make sure we secure the bumper cover. Now we can install our front grille. Along the bottom area of the grille itself, you're going to find you have locating tabs. We want those tabs to align with the bumper cover. So we're going to come out nice and wide. We'll start bringing it down and sliding it straight rearward. Once you do have that aligned, we'll be continuing on with our mounting bolt in the center and a push clip along either side. Double check to make sure you're completely seated all the way across the front bumper cover. Let's tighten that 10mm bolt.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.